Can you answer these mind-blowing questions about shadows, mirrors, pinhole cameras, and reflections without getting confused? Some of these questions look super easy, but only true science champions will get every answer correct. So get ready, students, because today's exciting quiz by Jatin Academy is going to test your brain like never before. Let's begin. Which of the following is a luminous object? Correct answer is C. Sun. Why is the moon called a non-luminous object? Correct answer is B. It does not emit its own light. Which statement correctly describes the path of light? Correct answer is C. Light always travels in a straight line. Why can we not see a candle flame through a bent pipe? Correct answer is D. Light travels in straight lines. Which type of material allows light to pass almost completely? Correct answer is B. Transparent material. Which type of material allows light to pass partially? Correct answer is C. Translucent. What happens when light falls on an opaque object? Correct answer is D. Light is blocked. What is a shadow? Correct answer is C. Dark region where light does not reach. Which object forms the blackest shadow? Correct answer is B. Opaque object. Which of the following is necessary for shadow formation? Correct answer is C. A source of light, an object, and a screen. What happens to the shadow when an object is moved closer to the light source? Correct answer is A. Shadow becomes larger. What happens to the color of a shadow when the object color changes? Correct answer is C. Shadow color remains unchanged. What is reflection of light? Correct answer is D. Change in direction of light by a mirror. Which surface reflects light best? Correct answer is B. Shiny polished surface. Why can we see our face in a mirror? Correct answer is C. Mirrors reflect light. Which type of mirror forms an erect image of the same size? Correct answer is A. Plane mirror. What is meant by lateral inversion in a plane mirror? Correct answer is B. Left and right sides appear reversed. Why is the word ambulance written in reverse on vehicles? Correct answer is C. So it reads correctly in rear view mirrors. Which statement about the image formed by a plane mirror is correct? Correct answer is D. It is of the same size as the object. Can the image formed by a plane mirror be obtained on a screen? Correct answer is C. No. What kind of image is formed by a pinhole camera? Correct answer is D. Inverted image. Why does a pinhole camera work? Correct answer is D. Light travels in straight lines. Which device uses two mirrors to see objects not directly visible? Correct answer is C. Periscope. Why does a kaleidoscope produce beautiful patterns? Correct answer is B. Due to repeated reflections by mirrors. Which statement is correct about transparent materials? Correct answer is C. They allow light to pass almost completely. You are watching this quiz on which channel? Correct answer है B. Jatin Academy. Amazing work, students! If you enjoyed this quiz and learned something new about light, shadows, mirrors, reflections and pinhole cameras, then make sure to like this video and comment your score below. And if you want more exciting science quizzes like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Jatin Academy. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next amazing science quiz video.